Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a brand new makeup tutorial and it's called Fire Alarm. So let's get started. I've already put on my liquid foundation and my powder foundation, both by CoverGirl. And I've already put on my eyeshadow primer, which I'm using Hard Candy. You can use any kind that you want. So let's get started with the eyeshadow. I am using this Wet n Wild palette, a cute little palette I just got. So let's get started. You just want to pat just a little bit of this on the lid and your eyelid, just the lid. Okay. The next step is I want to go over this red with this L'Oreal loose eyeshadow called Fire Alarm. Just going to give it shimmer. Just like that. And you want to get started with your black. And now you want to get started with your black, which I'm using this black called Black Hole by Hard Candy. And I'm also going to use the black in this Wet n Wild pack I was just showing you guys. I'm going to start off with this one. You want to put that right above the red. And it's very, very black, as you guys can see. And you just want to put a line of that going across, because once you do that, you're just going to take your buffer brush and you're going to buff that in. Tap your brush to get the excess powder off. Okay. And let's get to buffing. You want to start to bring that up and out. And you want to make sure you get a little of that red in there, because right in here you want it to be a little burgundy. And you don't want to just add another burgundy in. If you want, you can just take that and add a burgundy right in here, in the middle, if you want. But I like to make my own burgundy by mixing colors. Excuse me if I'm really quiet. My boyfriend is back there sleeping. And I don't want to, of course, disturb him. You want it to look like this. And you want to get your highlight in. So, I'm using this loose sheer powder. And I'm just putting it right here under my brow. And to really make it pop, I'm going to be using this silver that I got from Sally's Beauty. Sally's brand, everyone. Right here. You don't want a lot. And you want to add just a little more harsh red right here on your lid. And bring it up so you can get blended with that black again. So let's put these away. And get started with your brows. I am going to use this little brush and a matte black eyeshadow to do my brows. Just like that. And I'm using this Wet n Wild black pencil liner to do my waterline here. Just like this. I'm going to take this smudger and I'm just going to smudge it a little bit under the lash line. What you're going to want to do is you want to take a nice fine point brush and you want to use your red eyeshadow that you were just using right here. And you want to get right here in the corner. Just like that. Just like that. to do the first wash line. I'm using this black liquid gel liner. It's just like this, and this angled brush. You want to get as close to your lash line as possible. Just like this. And last but not least, with the eyes, you want to take your favorite eyeshadow, which I am using Maybelline New York for Flawless. Top and bottom. And for lips, I'm using Wet n Wild Clear Gloss. Dab. Take down your hair. This is the finishing look. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please make requests. Thank you. Bye.